Let's begin by settling into this moment, fully arriving and giving yourself complete permission to place all of your attention right here, just as you are. If it feels right, gently close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. Let's take one deep, slow breath in together. And let it fall away. At times, the world can feel loud. So many moving parts, so many unknowns. But beneath all that motion, there is stillness. A place that doesn't move even when everything else does. So, let's go there now. Begin by feeling the weight of your body, wherever you are, standing, sitting, lying down. Feel the way gravity holds you. If thoughts come to take your attention away, that's okay. Just gently guide your mind back to focusing on the feeling of the weight of your body. Now, bring gentle attention to the breath. Not to change it, just to notice. Feel the inhale as it enters, cool and quiet. Feel the exhale, soft and unforced. Each breath arriving from nowhere, returning to nowhere, and yet it sustains you without needing anything in return. Now, shift your attention to the space around your body. Notice the air that surrounds you. Notice that even the air holds you. You are not alone in this moment. There is something wordless that carries you just as you are. You don't need to name it. Just feel it, placing your full attention on the energy of space that surrounds your body. This presence is not found in headlines or opinions. It's not shaken by fear or noise. It's what remains when all else is stripped away. It has always been here. It has never left you. Let yourself lean into it now, leaning into the quiet arms of the unknown. Even in chaos, there is a place inside you that remains untouched. You've felt it before, maybe just for a second. A moment of deep silence. A quiet knowing. This is the peace that we're returning to right now. Let this peace move through your body, not as a concept, but as a quiet presence, as an experience from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet, like a wave moving up and down your body. Let yourself receive it, a river of peace flowing through you, washing the dust away. Nothing to fix, nothing to become, just this breath, this peace, this silence, this stillness. Now, when you're ready to return, introduce some gentle movement to your fingers and toes. And when it feels right, if your eyes were closed, you can slowly open them. See if you can carry this deep stillness with you into your day. No matter how loud the world becomes, no matter who is trying for your attention, this quiet is always here. Thank you for being here. I hope this brought you peace. Come back here whenever you wish.